Vanderbilt in 1997. Roy, I was working out at CB Raglan, uh, stacking a riser up, and Roy came out there and he said, "Come out, I need to talk to you." You remember that? And he said, "We want you to, got a new job inspector. We want you to do a new job at Vanderbilt University." I said, "Okay, I'll give it a try." I came here and talked to Paul Satterwhite, and he said, "Make these people happy." I think when they took the job, they didn't think they was going to make any money at it. And we started out there. All we done was run fire pumps. That was it.
That's it.
And service work. And I kept on saying, "Y'all need to get some of these buildings." They never get them inspected, no alarms tested, nothing. And finally, they started about 2 or 3 years after we was there. They started testing alarms. And of course, Jim, I think you took care of a lot of paperwork and stuff.
Yep. You know, it was good for us.
Right.
You know,
Good for them too.
Didn't make any difference when they called. We took care of them.
And I remember I went there one day and I had a problem with the air compressor out there, and I was trying to tell him what the problem was. And he says, "No, that ain't the problem." "Yes, it is, Jim." "No, it's not." He said, "Come here, let me show you." He took and drew it out on a piece of paper. I said, "You're right, Jim." He said, "Listen, I didn't fall off no turnip wagon." And I said, "I'm sorry. I thought I was right." He laughed and all that. And they used to call us in the middle of the night. And most time it wouldn't even be our leak. It'd be plumbing leak or air conditioning leak or something like that. Yeah, it was a little rough at first because I get called out about 3 nights a week. You remember right there on 21st? Then the lobby had a high ceiling, and they had a leak, and automatically it's a sprinkler leak. So I had to go over to student rec, get a great big ladder, haul it down the steps, and get up there and stretch that thing out, climb up there. It wasn't my leak, but just stuff like that all the time, you know. And you go in sororities, frat houses, middle of the night, and they'd be throwing parties and all this, and they done set a sprinkler head off. And you walk in, students would say, we're so sorry, we're so sorry. Don't worry about it. I'm going to put a sprinkler head in, turn the system on, y'all continue on." You just didn't say nothing to the students out there. You just, done your job and got out of there.